Hey guys, a quick look at the Nasdaq, the S&P and the Dow Jones. This is H1 thread of the Nasdaq, and after my flat version of a wave 4 count didn't work out, we realized we are actually going much deeper. 18,610 was the trigger of the last red sequence we had. It opened targets for 18,420 to 475 as a minimum. 18,303 is the last target using my sequences. And just read that text here. Once when targets are hit, the bullish Wolver wave wedge becomes very interesting for a turnaround. So this is a bullish Wolver wave wedge here, still the sequence, and we went all the way down to 18,303, and that was actually the final turnaround. Here's, by the way, another cash chart. I said the 61.8 is being loved by the Nasdaq as also a turnaround. So this is measured by the cash low to the cash high, and it retraced 61.8%, which is very healthy in a bull market. And this is what happened. So the cash low was actually not as low as the one at the futures. And as you can see, there are plenty of updates. During the day, there was then the sequence at 18,709, which rejected first. And as soon as that is broken by an hourly close, which occurred right here already, they had another pullback. Min targets open between 18,821 to 687. And the new sequence is already up here. And you can see there are plenty of updates during the day. And I'm just switching into the latest live chart I had here. Still that bullish Wolver wave wedge. Here's the latest sequence, which triggered and hit already the min target on Friday evening. And the target line is actually also very close of being hit. Yeah, this is S&P 500 H4 time frame of JFD. We talked about that descending broadening wedge here in blue. We have a first min target of 5956 for that pattern. But more important is that sequence here. Let me just zoom in. 5571 was our trigger for higher. That happened right here, and we are hitting already min targets of 5622. 5642 should come up on Monday, and 5686 would be already a new all-time high. As you can see on my projection, I'm actually going for much higher. If we see that or not, we should know by next week. Yeah, last but not least, the Dow Jones Industrials. This is the H4 thread here out of the Discord, and as you can see, this is a JFD indication. The Dow retraced 50% of that rally from that low you made on August 5th to its new all-time high. And this is also very healthy retracement or correction in the bull market. We had already a new magnet level up here, and we redefined that at 41,723. So this is actually our magnet for that green sequence before we are going for the targets of that in blue shown descending broadening wedge, which we also have at the DAX and the S&P. I hope you like this one. I give you a bit more details in my next video, or if you want to have more details in smaller time frames or various different markets, you're welcome to sign up at jcs-charting.com for much more. I wish you a nice weekend, and bye-bye.